Okay, guys, we have a new product here. This is from Anson Belt and Buckle, and I came to know about this company from a video I was watching by the cobblers Trenton and Heath the other day, and they mentioned this product. I believe the video was about a week old when I had watched it. I don't remember which particular video it was about, but I remember this product. So after they mentioned it, I went to the website and placed an order. So the thing about these belts are that they don't have any holes in them, which, as far as I know, is the only product on the market like that, as far as dress belts or any belt that I know about. But we are into dress shoes and things, so we look for dress belts. So here's the packaging, and you can see it has a nice presentation. Now the deal was, or is, that you purchase 3 belts and 2 buckles, or vice versa, and the price would be $99. I believe the regular price is $130. I made the purchase, and they sold me on making an additional buckle purchase for $14. So total for 3 belts and 3 buckles, $115. Pretty good price for the options that you have. And let's take a look at the belts first. I went with some basic colors. Went with the burgundy. I currently have one other burgundy belt by Allen Edmonds in my closet. So I decided to try this out. On the inside, you can see it has this, this sort of, almost like a ratcheting system. But this is the technology that allows the belt to be used with no holes. You can see Anson there, and the trademark making the belt hole obsolete. And on the end down here, you have the length of 55 inches. That brings me to the card that came with it. It has some fitting instructions on how to cut the belt to size, or cut the excess that you don't need. And then on the flip side, it shows you how it works and the instructions on how to put the belt together when you are ready to wear it. So pretty cool. Something different, something new. It piqued my interest for sure. So it's going to be interesting to see how these things work. So like I said, I went with some basic colors. We have the burgundy here. Nice burgundy color. And I went with a black, simple black, and a navy. Now, I especially want the navy because I don't have any navy belts in my closet. And really, I only have one pair of shoes that are navy. Some Oliver Cabell sneakers, which I haven't unboxed because I'm not going to do a lot of unboxings of shoes unless there's some special shoes. But these are the Oliver Cabell, and that's the belt. Pretty close. The belt's a little bit lighter, but with some polish work, may come out to be even closer. But this satisfies the need for me to have a navy belt to go with the navy shoes, and also I plan on purchasing more navy shoes in the future. So that is the belts. It is made of, from the website says that it is made of full grain leather, and from what I can tell, the belts are made in the U.S. Well, the certain on the website it says that the belts are made of full grain leather, the top leather with the nice dense pores, which is good. They feel sturdy. Yeah, they feel nice and strong. They have some strength in them. This back lining, I'm not sure if this is leather or not, but they feel nice. Should hold up pretty well over time. So let's take a look at the buckles. Now the buckles I have here, these are called traditional buckles. This one is called traditional formal gunmetal is this one. Let's get it closer look there. That is what this one looks like. Now I wanted the buckles that weren't too fancy, didn't stick out too much. So that's why I went with 3 of the same types. Now the cool thing is, as you're making your selection, if you do the mix and match like I did, as you're making your selection, you can actually see a preview of what the belt and the buckle looks like for each selection that you make. So it showed me 9 different looks of these belts and buckles. So that's the black belt with the gunmetal. I also ordered black buckle, so you can see what that looks like. And also, this one is the traditional silver buckle. That's traditional silver. That looks pretty cool too. You can see nice clean lines, nice sleek look. And not only do you have a lot of options for belt colors, different materials like canvas, but you also have plenty of options for the buckles, different colors, different designs. Like the face would be totally metal, that kind of thing. But I wanted something a little more simple, and that's what I went with. Now, the last thing is for me, after I placed the order, a few days later, I received an email asking me to fill out a survey, and they would give me $20 off my next purchase. And so I filled out the survey, and they sent me an email with my $20 off to use next time I am on the website, which I will probably do. Find me something else I can use there. So it's good that they are getting some recognition, and you guys make sure you go out and support them, because you know I'm all about supporting small businesses. From what I can tell, is the father and son team, and they've come up with an interesting design. We'll see how it works out over time, but you know, I think it's going to be good. I think they're a winner. So go check them out. Anson Belt at ansonbelt.com. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.